Hi, Ayaan.
Hi, Mommy.
So, are you going to explain how to brush our teeth?
Yeah.
Okay, show me.
Wait, you.
Uh-huh.
It's for doing like this.
So, what is this?
A toothbrush.
Toothbrush? You made it at school?
Yeah.
Really? Can you show me closer? So nice.
Yeah, I'll show you how it's made. First, we need to choose our color stick. I choose orange. Then we need to glue it in the inside. Then stick the stick on. Then no.
So, how many times we have to brush our teeth?
Minutes.
2 times?
Yeah, 2 times.
Morning and night before bed?
Yeah,
So, okay. How you gonna brush our teeth?
like this.
So, if you don't brush our teeth, what's gonna happen?
They are good cavities and germs, and it's going to be really black.
Really black?
Yeah.
If you have a cavities and your teeth going to be really black, what gonna happen next?
There'll be germs.
Germs, and we're going to be doctor, right? Dentist.
Yeah.
And dentist gonna remove your teeth.
Yeah. Put some toothpaste on the brush.
Mm-hmm.
Then start brushing your teeth. Then spit and rinse.
Oh, good job. Now you know how to brush the teeth, right? By yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the cleaning chart. I cleaned my teeth today. What is the day today? Today is the Thursday. So you cleaned your teeth today, and then you're going to be cleaning your tooth Friday, Saturday, Sunday, again Monday, and every day, daily 2 times, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so nice. Now you know how to brush your teeth.
Yeah.
So if you don't brush your teeth, what's gonna happen?
It's
Oh, okay.
your teeth after you eat anything. Yeah.
Like that.
So you won't get the cavities.
Okay.
Channel and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. This is Ayaan and Advith. Bye bye.
See you.